Hello YouTubers, here in the shop, and we're looking at a 1929 Ford Model A truck that's been chopped, stretched, steel roof made, custom frame, 31 wide bed on the back, and it's got a Cummins 4BT diesel in it, backed up with an Allison transmission. So I'm experiencing a lot of vibration, a lot of shake, naturally because it's a diesel. But I came across the YouTube, DeBoss Garage, Rich up there in Canada, I guess put a 4BT in his Tahoe and had a lot of shaking, and apparently he put a harmonic dampener on the front of the crankshaft. So anyway, did some research and ended up buying a harmonic damper. I'll show you that here in a minute. But the challenge is, I guess this 4BT was probably on a manual transmission that had the mass of the flywheel that kind of dampened it a bit. But then when I went to the Allison with the Allison torque converter, I did a billet adapter and then also a billet flywheel, which really lightened it up. So I guess it's creating a lot of shaking. So anyway, spent some money, went on eBay and got a fluid dampener. Harmonic damper. There's the part number 960311, and this thing weighs, it's pretty small. I'll put my hand next to it, but this thing weighs about 28 pounds and it's isolated from the center pulley, so I guess there's some kind of silicone and a weight counterweight in there that kind of adjusts itself accordingly. So anyway, they recommend two fluid damper to go with the ARP studs to replace the original, so I went with those. But I'm going to put them on and see if it kills the vibration a little bit, and I'll do a test with a water bottle here in a minute and show you the vibration I currently have. Alright, so I have the old pulley off the bottom of the front crank of the Cummins, and here's the pulley that I took off, real lightweight, and this is what's going on. Okay, I've got the harmonic balancer on there, the fluid damper. You see it down the front of the crankshaft there. Pretty straightforward to mount it. Kit also came with I guess a speed sensor, tach sensor, which I don't have any tachometer on this truck. So anyway, let's go ahead and do the shake test, see if it had improved it at all. All right, you can see the difference, even feeling the steering wheel and the gear shift. That made a huge difference in vibration and shake. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you want to see how I built the rest of the truck, the frame, everything. Look at my other videos there, and hit the subscribe button, and you'll see the construction of the truck. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks.